Look how youth. Keep your head still, man. Keep your head still. You want your ear cut this while? Let me ask you something. Your mother, she's still there with the Rasta man? Eh? Take your answer. I's a little boy with love chat.
But me no want to go to that barber ever again, mommy. Me no want to go there, sir. What happened, Junior? Him sound like Mr. Krabs, mommy. And he might try look you too, mommy. He might try look you. Really? I want him have money like Mr. Krabs too. Really, mommy? Stop it.
Mr. Krabs, what you do ya?
Excuse me, young man. You're on the manners. Why people keep on calling me Mr. Krabs? Why? We look like him?
Well, kinda, but you sound just like him.
Really? Look, I'm have to watch that show there.
Okay, but why you not in the barber shop? What you doing at my house? Don't tell me say you here for me mommy.
Why, yes. Your mummy invite me for dinner. I'm not the barber no more. Right now, me I sell patty. In fact, me specialize in seafood patty. Our famous patty is...
Don't tell me. You can say crabby patty, don't?
Yeah, our famous patty are the crab ones. Oh, you know us, sir.
Ja. Next now you gonna tell me say you have a daughter named Pearl.
You know my daughter named Pearl? She in the kitchen I help your mother. Let me call her for you. Pearl! Come here to me. Do!
Coming, Daddy.